Click on Resource Time Analysis to see the expected number of hours per individual, for a certain time period, for the whole company, or for certain resources or departments. How many actual hours do you have? What is the utilisation? How many hours were invoiced? How much is internal time? How much is absence? How much usage has not yet been invoiced for this period? Add columns for the year-to-date values if needed. With the resource amount analysis, obtain this information in amounts instead of in hours. What's the expected invoice amount? What was actually invoiced for the period? How much of that percentage-wise? What's the actual time spent valued at the expected rate? What's the year-to-date of the average price? With the Client Engagement Report, you can look at a specific matter, at all the matters for a certain client, or for a certain client responsible. Obtain all the details of what time you've spent. How much of it was invoiced at what rate? Did you give any discounts? Did you do any adjustments? What invoice does this time correspond to? And of course, that all totals up on an individual basis as well.